What's good, y'all? You're welcome back, and this is just a quick update on my Profem Challenge account so far, right? So if you've been someone who has been following me for a long now and you've been going through all these videos, then you definitely want to stick around and watch today's particular video to the end, because it is going to be much more detailed and I'm going to give you more insights on my account. I'm going to show you my dashboard actually and show you all that is going on so far, right? So I took few trades during the weekends, most of them hit SL, right? So I'm going to show you all those stuff right away. Today is Friday. I'm recording this video Friday 2nd June, yeah. And there's one thing too I'll share with you, which is about I'm kind of in the middle of my minimum trading days, and the update so far is been crazy. So without much talking, let's just go straight into it. Okay, so what you are seeing right here was a setup I made on 1st June, right? That was Thursday. I took a trade and this is it. It went against me. This is Euro USD, and most of you know I mostly trade GBP USD, but I took this Euro USD trade and it went against me massively, right? I took it during the PM session. That's New York session. I took this particular trade and it went against me like massively. Supposing I wasn't having a good place to place my stop loss, then I would have been in a massive drawdown, but thank God I had my SL well calculated, so it saved my ass, right? So that is it. Let me quickly take you through my Notion and show you something. So far, right, so far I've taken 7 trades so far since I started this Profem Challenge account, guys. Like I said from the very first day I obtained the account, I told you I'm not that much consistent in trading currency pairs. So this is equally reflecting over here. Look at, I took only 7 trades and this is getting to, I'm currently left with basically 3 days to hit 30 days since I've acquired this Profem Challenge account. And look at, within these 30 days I've been able to trade just 7 days. That is just like a week trading, right? I've been able to trade just 7 days, and most of them, look at this, I have only 2 wins during this whole period. So the remaining 5 is just loss. And even if you look at the number of pips that I've won compared to the number of pips that I've lost, you will see I've run into massive losses over here. Look at this big loss of 53 pips. Look at this 24, 29, 6, 17, and the win is only 1 and also 13. So in total I have 14 pips win. That is what I have so far, right? And most of the sessions that I trade, I kind of trade New York, and the win that I had was from Asian session and a New York session, and that's all. All the trades I take in the London session, they went south, they went against me actually, right? So that is something I want to show you, right? This is my challenge account and the trade logs. The trades I took over here, the one that you don't see any screenshot, I basically took them on my phone, so I didn't take any screenshot to put over here, right? I'm showing this on my PC currently actually. So that is it. And most of the stuff, the entry confirmation and stuff that I look out for is FVG. That's what I've been looking out for before entering my trades. And guys, listen, the truth of the matter is I've not been giving myself enough time to analyze the markets, and most of you know I'm currently in school. I'm just trying to combine this with the school and see how best it's gonna go. Since I've bought the challenge already, I just have to trade it and see how it will go, right? So I actually don't give it my full attention as in to analyze like I used to do since school has resumed, and like everything is kind of stressful right here. I just look onto my mobile phone. I no more even use my PC for analysis. I look onto my mobile phone and see whatever I want to see, then I take a trade. I don't give it that much of attention to analyze like I used to, right? So that's it. Now let me take you to my back office. All right, so right here we are on the back office of my account. This is my account. This is my current balance. My current balance is $4,886.07 dollars, right? And I've have a drawdown of 113. Like I've lost in total 113, almost 14 dollars from this account. And look at this, the challenge is ending on the 4th of July. I've started the challenge on the 5th of May, and because it's a 60-day something, it is ending on the 4th of July, right? So let's say I have like basically 30 days ahead of me to either pass or fail this challenge, right? So that's the work ahead of me I have to do right now. And if you go down here, you currently see that my challenge profit target, which is 8%, I'm currently in a drawdown of 2.28%. I'm in a drawdown, meaning I have to work out and recover this before I even target this 8%, profit target, right? So basically that is it so far, and this is my dashboard, CONSUMMATE TRADERS. And of course, if you want to also hop onto this challenge, the link is in the video description. You can go ahead and register with them and start trading. Look at the number of days, minimum days, right? Look at the number of days that you have. You have like 60 good days to pass the challenge, not 30 days. Supposing it's 30 days, then I'm probably failing the challenge right now because my 30 days is almost due. If it were to be 30 days, I'm failing the challenge right now. But listen, there's still hope. I still have hope that if I have some time and I dedicate it to analyze the market and see a way forward, listen, we are going to pass the challenge account. We are going to pass the challenge, right? At least phase 1, we have to pass the phase 1 and move on to the phase 2. Phase 2 requires us to get just 5%, then we are good to go. For now, we are on 8%, and yeah, we're currently on a drawdown of 2.28%, but hopefully we get to recover all those stuff and start grinding this massively, right? We need to work on this stuff, right? Okay, so guys, that is going to be it for now, right? Hopefully I'll get to interact with you in another set of video regarding this particular trade. And most of you might be asking, have you traded NFP? Today is Friday, you're recording the video on Friday. Have you traded NFP? No, I haven't traded NFP. I've made analysis, but because of my account size, if it were to be at 5k, I would have traded it, but because it is down already, I don't want to risk anything of this account on any high impact news currently. I did that with CPI, it affected me, and I don't want to do this. And I also did that with jobless claim the last time, it affected me. I don't want to repeat that again since my account is currently not stable. It is in danger zone, right? So guys, I think this is going to be it for this video. If you like a video like this that I basically share with you my opinion or my current update on the Profem challenge accounts that I'm trading, just go ahead and hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.